Welcome to your new oasis on the Outer Banks. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath beach box lives large and is situated on a huge, oversized home site on a quiet cul-de-sac. The exterior offers low-maintenance vinyl siding and a metal roof, located on a high lot that's to die for. You'll love spending time in your outdoor area with the lush tree line, X-flood zone, and irrigation system. Inside you will find 1,820 square feet of heated living space and an open concept floor plan. Step inside this light and airy great room featuring lots of windows and laminate wood flooring. The updated kitchen includes Frigidaire stainless steel appliances, a deep farm sink, tile backsplash, and an eat-on bar for 2. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs, one that has private access to a shared full bath. Downstairs is 1 more large bedroom, a full bath, storage closet, and a flex space with a wet bar and microwave. Within walking distance to all the amenities of Kill Devil Hills, you'll enjoy shopping, restaurants, west side bike routes, Bay Drive multi-use path, boat ramps, the Sound, and the beach. Don't miss out on this opportunity to live in your dream home on the Outer Banks. Contact us today to schedule a showing. For more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining. Have an awesome day.